Here is the Kia Forte. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is a primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right about the Kia emblem, right about that A, put one finger in there and then push it left. And while you're pushing it left, lift up the hood. See, this is the secondary latch that I was pushing left on. There it is. Now this hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod, put it right over there in the slot with the arrow marking it, let it go. Now once the hood is open, that right there is your air box, and we have to get it undone. Take off that one clip and the other one right at the back. Just grab it and pull it back. And now we need to lift up the air box cover. Grab the cover and lift it up. We have to make sure those two tabs just slide out of the two slots right over there. They clear them. And only then will you be able to lift up the cover the way I'm showing. And at this point you should be able to just grab onto the filter and just get it right out. That's the filter, that's the bottom side, that's the dirty side. So the way it works is outside air comes from the bottom, all the dirt gets trapped there, and then clean air from the top goes into the engine. Before you put the new filter, if you want, you can vacuum clean that area. You don't have to, but it's just nice to do it. Put the filter in and it should just drop right in, and it should be the exact size as the old filter. Now we have to make sure those two tabs over there, they go right in the slots. So see, that one's in, and now the other one is in as well. So to make it easy, what you can do is just lift up the cover a little bit at an angle and then push it in. Good. And once it's in, and only when those two tabs are in the slot, will you be able to put the clips back on. One over there and the second one right over there. And that is pretty much it. To close the hood, first push on the hood and get load off the prop rod. Get it out of that slot there. Put it back in its place. Now lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.